Welcome to QuikCodes. In this video, we will cover two common Ethernet wiring cable standards, the TIA EIA 568A and the TIA EIA 568B wire. To begin, an RJ45 is referred to as an Ethernet cable, which is used for wire connections in the network infrastructure. The two common types packaged usually are the unshielded twisted pair, UTP, and unshielded twisted pair, the STP, with the primary difference being that an STP, which is shielded twisted pair, features a foil or braided shield for an added protection against electromagnetic interference and crosstalk, making it ideal for commercial settings. Vice versa, UTP is more often used for residential and small office buildings. In both UTP and STP, the wires are arranged according to the Telecommunications Industry Association, TIA, and the Electronic Industries Alliance, EIA standards, which I referred to earlier as the TIA/EIA, which focuses on building network and telecommunications cabling such as 568A and 568B. These cables are the two main wiring standards for Ethernet cables, differing only in the color arrangement of the wires, meaning each wire is numbered, which is associated with the color that follows a pin in the RJ45 connector. Now, when it comes to the TIA EIA 568A cable's wire color arrangement for each pin, you'll see pin 1 representing the white and green wire, pin 2 representing the green wire, pin 3 white and orange, pin 4 blue, pin 5 white and blue, 6 orange, 7 white and brown, 8 being just a solid brown wire. All right, now let's go to the TIA/EIA 568B. You'll see pin 1 is the white and orange, pin 2 is the orange, pin 3 white and green, 4 blue, 5 white and blue, 6 green, 7 white and brown, and the 8 brown. Incorrectly wiring either cable according to the TIA/EIA standard will result in connectivity issues, downgraded performance, packet drops, and etc. And this is an issue I faced at the last site I was at. I was trying to figure out why the Ethernet cable that I had at the time, which was a Cat6, was not getting 1 gigabyte of speed data transmission, and it kept downgrading. Ended up finding out that the wires, even though they were both the same standards, TIA/EIA wires on both ends, the actual wires inside the RJ45 connector were wired incorrectly, causing the performance to downgrade. Ensuring that the cable is wired the same on both ends, as I stated earlier, will eliminate these issues and help ensure that you get the best performance out of the cable connection. Thanks again for watching QuikCodes. Continue learning by picking another video, subscribing.